Thank you for returning to my channel. How's everyone doing? As we said, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I apply my how I do my eyebrows. So again, I'm going to do a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, what products I use, and how I get them to look the way I want them to look, how I like them to look. So just bear with me and let's go through this tutorial. I'm gonna first start out with using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Wiz bra, and this is in the color dark brown. So I'm gonna start out by using that, and don't forget what I always say, I'm looking at you, but I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the tops off both of them, and I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows. Okay, first I use this little spoolie. And I, kind of just brush my hair up. Okay, I got a little piece of hair. I don't know where this hair is coming from. Okay, so I use this little spoolie, and this is all I do, is brush this out. Okay, you see my eyebrows are not a lot, but we're gonna fix it because I need a lot of eyebrows. So I take the spoolie, I take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Wiz bra wiz, and I kind of like do a line. So to give me some eyebrows, I'm looking at you, I'm looking at myself. So let's try to get this in here. Okay, so I do this, I kind of like draw a line straight up. Just like that, a line straight up. And then I kind of follow the bottom of my eyebrow and I draw a line down. Just like that. I don't know if you're catching that on camera. See, I extended it out just a little bit. Then I take the same pencil. You see it's kind of sticking out a little bit here. Camera focus. Okay, it's sticking out just a little bit there. I just add a few hairs in here. Okay, just like that. See? It already gave me a little definition already, see? Okay? So usually, sometimes I may go on top and add a line up here to even this out a little bit. Just like that. And you see already, you can see it. You see the difference between this eyebrow and you see this eyebrow. It's already a difference. Usually I would use the Anastasia pomade. Today I'm going to use the e.l.f. pomade, and this is in the color, I believe, espresso. It looks something like this. You can see I done used a lot of it. So what I do after that, and you can see my brow, I take one of these brushes. This is a brush from my little local beauty supply store, and I dip it in there, enough to put on, to put some product on the brush. Then, don't forget I'm looking at you, but I'm looking here. I just take this and I just color in my eyebrow. It's just kind of like a color book, a coloring book. Same thing like with a tattoo. They'll do the outlining of a tattoo, and then they'll come back and then put the color in the tattoo. So this is the same way. So that's what I'm doing. All I'm doing is coloring in, filling in. So I said coloring, but it's filling in the space, okay? So again, I dab product and fill it in. This is extremely hard to do on camera, but if you could tell, you could see the difference with the eyebrows. You see the difference with the eyebrows. Okay, so this is the before picture and this is the after picture. So you can see, I'm gonna, come on camera, zoom in a little bit. So you can see, okay, the arch. And this is the way I do my eyebrows. Now, after I do all of that, after I fill it in, I use the e.l.f. pomade in the color Espresso. So after I use that, I don't know if you remember this MAC, what was this, like a color corrector palette and concealer. This is old, very old, by MAC. So I'm gonna use this color here on the bottom, this color here, and then on the top I'm gonna mix these two, okay? And then also I take my e.l.f. slanted brush, one of these slanted brushes, and I just take this, dab it in there a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how I do that, okay? And remember, I'm looking at you, but I'm looking here. And I just take it and just, you know, just to clean it up. That's all we doing is cleaning up. Giving me that precise look. If you can see it already. What? Huh? Huh? You can't tell me. You can't see that? That's crazy. Do you see that? So, like I said, this takes some time to do. And it definitely takes some time with me to do because, you know, like I said, I'm really? Stuff dropped. I'm going to take a little bit of the browner shade and I'm just going to outline the top part of my eyebrow. Above my eyebrow. So, you know, the one thing I found out is that it doesn't matter how messy you are. And even if you mess up, this concealer, do you see my eyebrow? That's how it works. You see the difference? And it doesn't matter how messy you are with your eyebrows and putting them on. The key to that is just concealer. If you got concealer, you can fill in and correct those mistakes that you make. All you do is conceal it in. Use your concealer and it will work and it will fix. So don't worry about making a mistake. Always let your concealer be your best friend. Always let your concealer be your best friend. And that's what I want to say to you. Always let your concealer be your best friend. And again, if you like this video, like, comment, share, thumbs up, and hit that notification button so therefore you will know when I'm uploading new videos. And thank you again for hanging out with me. Let's make it do what it do.